Imagine, we planned this holiday for the past 2 months. What could have gone wrong, right? I mean, the packing was perfect and we were pretty sure that things were going our way.
I have a bad feeling about this.
I don't sense anything.
All we had to do now was wake up on time for our flight. But no, we overslept.
We're 4 hours late for this goddamn bullshit!
Oh, did I mention that we didn't make our flight? We completely missed the plane by 10 minutes. What the... Ah, finally, the Bali traffic jam. What's new?
Find you, find you, find you, find you, I can't find you.
After all that rush, stress and sweat, man, the feeling when we saw this place was just wow, beautiful. Welcome to my office. This is also my office. This as well. And here. And here. And here. You can see Win. I can see Rayan. That's Issa. There's 4 of us on this trip. We jump in the pool. I'm currently in Bali right now. I'm at Uluwatu. We're staying at this place called DJI. It's like a real scenic place to stay, right at the cliff of a hill that's facing the sea, and it's just marvelous here. So what made it really hard for us in the morning was that we woke up really late. Okay, because we were packing the night before, and then things just got out of hand. We were all so tired, and I was traveling the night before, and we didn't manage to catch our flight. And it was terrible actually, traveling with 2 kids, and with Win and I, we were so sleepy, we had to make our way to the airport. The whole idea for the holiday was actually to escape for just 5 days away from Malaysia, just the 4 of us, and we're just going to be relaxing at this place. The whole point was just to get away from the busyness, we're supposed to just chill. I mean, this place is fantastic, the view is excellent. Look at the ocean view. And it looks amazing. Okay, let's take a tour of our rooms, which is right there. What's up? What's up? Supreme king size bed. Big mosquito nettings. Some Balinese painting. Comfortable. It's a pretty nice view. Check this out. So the whole point is actually we were really going for the view. The view was something that we put as the main perspective of our journey. At the same time, having enough relaxation for the kids as well. Guys are here. Hey baby.
Yeah. Bye, Daddy.
Well, yeah.
tell me you trust me. I can't weigh up the fall. Love goes on and on and on and on and on. Love goes on and on and on and on.
So we're out right now. We're gonna head out to Ubud because Win wants to get some shopping. We gotta get some lunch. We've got Dayat, our trusted good friend, who'll be our tour guide as well as driver, but he's really, really cool. What's up, Dayat? We're on the road heading towards Ubud. Right now we've got to head down to this area. It's called Putih Intan restaurant because it's already lunchtime. This place is selling like what's called nasi padang. So it's a variety of rice and you get to select a few choices of dishes into your plate. It's a famous Indonesian tradition to eat nasi padang. It just tastes so good. Completely hungry. I'm gonna go and choose my food. How about?
Lemak. Atas.
Boleh. Alright. Okay, Pak. So this restaurant, this restaurant is actually linked to a poolside. Kind of weird, right? Like restaurant, poolside, restaurant, poolside. I think we're about to reach Ubud because the roads are getting smaller. We've been driving for the past 1.5 hours, I think 1 hour 15 minutes. I think once we get there, I think Win is gonna probably buy the whole shop that's actually gonna build a house and we're gonna bring it back to Kuala Lumpur, and then she's gonna probably tie everything up on the van and we're gonna try and somehow, some way ship it back on the plane. Alright, we're here. It's a superbly busy day in Ubud. We're gonna spend it out the whole night here. I think Win really seriously wants to do some serious shopping tonight. So we'll be here. Are you okay? Are you okay? So what's good in Ubud? Shop, 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 shop. I think Win just bought the whole place. Been walking the whole street from the top above right to the bottom. Good morning, everybody. Check it out. That's our room that we used to stay for the past 3 days. But the best part is that we've just been upgraded to an even bigger place, and it's also facing the sea. We thought that room was good enough to have like a sea view, and you've got to check out the room that they upgraded us to. Anyway, this segment is brought to you by Isa, little Rayan. So let's go. Like type view. Can hang out, chill. That overlooks the sea. Here, check out the view. Look over here. Nice wooden entrance. It leads to the inside of like the first floor of the house. One of the most things I look forward when I saw the first thing was this. I look forward to this thing here because at night you can practice. Welcome to the living room of the first floor. Toilet, a nice couch, a nice coffee table, sit back, there's a TV over there. The best part is when you sit here, you get to see outside. Not often that you get a couch that's next to the sea. Okay, I'm gonna bring you guys upstairs. Let's go. Check it out, wooden stairways. After a long tired day at the poolside on the beach or walking around Bali, you walk back to this, stay upstairs. This is where we will sleep tonight. King size bed, beautiful colorful blue chairs, another TV upstairs. In case you miss the pool, it's beautiful again from here. Such a nice little big window. It's beautiful. The best part is, I love the bathtub. Then when you go out, and you wake up in the morning, you got this really wide patio balcony, sort 2 chairs, nice Breton 2-chair table. It's facing the Uluwatu beach. So in case you've never seen this place or you want to stay here, this is the best room. They always say all good things must come to an end. So we've been here for like the past 4 nights. It's been nice, the weather's been good. Say goodbye, Rayan. Take care.